Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel, The Good Art Studio. This is Shriya. Welcome back to again another vlog. And as I was discussing in the previous art episode, that I was planning for a short trip, and here I am with a glimpse of the beautiful and elegant Taj Mahal. So come with me and enjoy the short trip, where I'm going to share few important information with you, which will be very useful in case you're planning to visit Agra. Guys, this is where I have started from my home, and I hired a car to reach Agra, which approximately took around 2.5 hours to reach. And my plan was to only visit the Taj Mahal, since I read that there are two, three places to visit over there. One is Agra Fort, the second is Mehtab Garden, and the third is Fatehpur Sikri. But Agra Fort is an exact copy of the Lal Killa in Delhi, and the purpose of visiting that was to get a view of Taj Mahal, which is super awesome from there. Second is Mehtab Garden, which is exactly opposite to the Taj Mahal on the other side of the river Yamuna. And purpose is to get a picture of the Taj Mahal along with the reflection of it in the river Yamuna, which is super awesome. And also you can see the foundation of the Black Taj Mahal, which was planned but was never built because Shah Jahan died before. And the third is the Fatehpur Sikri, which is around 40 kilometers from Agra, and quite a distance. Yeah, and I was actually running out of time as my pet was at home and I have to reach, at some point of time, because she was locked and I have to give her food. So that was the reason I only planned to go to Taj Mahal and get a view of that. This is where I reached Agra, guys. This is the Agra city, and I am heading towards the Taj Mahal. So, friends, this is the entry where the driver will park the car, and let me share you few information before you visit Taj Mahal, because there are few rules which has been changed now. For general visit of the Taj Mahal, the ticket price is 50 rupees, and if you want to go inside the Taj Mahal to see the tomb of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, then you have to buy a ticket of 270 rupees per head. So there are two tickets, and one more thing is everything has been done online now. You have to visit the government site of Agra, and you have to buy the tickets online beforehand, because due to lockdown what the government has done is they have prepared slots that every day there are around 5,000 people who can visit Taj Mahal. That's all, only 5,000 people, and there will be available on the online site the total of 5,000 slots where you have to buy your online tickets beforehand. If you don't do it, then you'll be reaching there and you won't get any slots, any tickets, because all the tickets will be over maximum around by 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the morning. So it is better that you buy your tickets one day or 2 day before, because the dates will be there when you want to visit, so you can buy your tickets accordingly. And if you hire a guide, there are also different category of tickets where you can buy it with guide or without guide. So there are charges you can see in the site accordingly, and you can buy your tickets. This is the rule they have done. Before it was not there, but now they have done the slot, and it was new for me as well. As you enter the Taj Mahal, you will find this picture gallery where you will find different beautiful pictures of Taj Mahal and other forts taken, and it is there, and you can find few relevant information as well related to that. So according to this board, with whatever it is written over here, it's like the videography is prohibited at inside the premises of Taj Mahal. This is the entry gate. So this is the premises of Taj Mahal, and there is one more gate, the main gate, where after that you can see the monument. So up to that you can take your videos and everything, but after that it is not allowed. And there is security everywhere. If they see you, then they will catch you immediately. So whatever videos I have taken, I was actually scared, but somehow I have taken, doing some acting and all. So you can see the further videos. So, friends, this area is the living area of the laborers and the people who were working for Taj Mahal. So, Shah Jahan has built this whole premises, this whatever is on the right side and left side. These are small shells actually. So, there were quite a category of people who were actually building the Taj Mahal. There were Sufis, there were upper class, higher class, and the laborers. So he used to keep all those people over here. They used to work whole day, and again they were staying over here. So this is that premises you can see. So there is another gate which I was talking about. So after that, we just, I think you have seen it just 2 3 seconds before. That is the main gate. So from there you can have the view of the elegant Taj Mahal. So this is the gate. Yes. This is the main gate of Taj Mahal, friends. You can see the beautiful work done on it, and what I've heard is there were all rubies and stones, and there were a lot of golds. There were on this gate, and as we know, our Britishers has they have looted everything. Friends, this was the moment when I was speechless, and it was breathtaking when I just shifted my camera from the wall designs of the gate, and it just, the Taj Mahal came into my frame, and I was like looking at her constantly. It is so beautiful. You cannot take off your eyes, and the whole journey, the whole trip, the visiting hours was around 2 hours I took to see the whole Taj Mahal, and it was worth it. I mean, people say, and it is the one of the wonders of the world. It is really truth. It is so beautiful, and you must visit. If you are in India, you should visit once in your life. It is really worth. Friends, if you believe in karma, then every good has a bad side, and this is the Yamuna Bank you can see. And exactly Shah Jahan thought the same thing, and he thought of building a black Taj Mahal, which will be as a shadow of the white Taj Mahal, that is the opposite of good and bad. So, to protect it from the bad eyes, but he died, and the only foundation is there on the opposite side, you can see if you visit, but he couldn't build it. This is the net design, friends, and what I have heard is there were no instruments or chisel or any kind of iron instruments by that time, and they were having just only a carving material, which the entire the net design has been done by their hands. They have just carved the marble and they have done that design. If you just want to see it again, go back a little bit, 3 4 seconds before, and see the design again. It is really hard to believe that just carving the marble, and it is so perfect. Every design is so perfect. Just look at it. If you have time, then please go back and look at the net design once again. Friends, we know and we have read that Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan on the remembrance of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, and it is believed that the way the Taj Mahal has been constructed is just like Mumtaz was so beautiful. The gold gumbad on the top, it was like her head, and the design on the gold gumbad is like her necklace, and under that is her body, which is carved so beautifully, and the beautiful nakashi has been done. And the four tars you can see was her hands and legs, and the design of the chudi and the anklets which she used to wear. So Shah Jahan, he thought of build the Taj Mahal in that way that every time he will be looking at the monument and he will be remembering his beautiful wife. Friends, this is the end of my visit of Taj Mahal, and I was actually really sad. When I was just, exiting the gate of Taj Mahal, I was turning back again and again to get just one glimpse of the monument. My heart was actually beating, and it was, attracting it so much. Like, I just want to see it once again. My heart was saying like that. I was actually sad, but yet I was so happy, and this was really worth visiting the place. This you can see is the market around the Taj Mahal. There are different shops where you can buy the marble products, and also there are few food stalls. If you want to eat something, you can have it. And it is better to go some handloom store if you know, because if you go to some government store, then you will get a more reasonable price. What to buy from Agra is the famous pitha, as you know. The second is the marble stuffs. If you want to buy anything, showpiece of Taj Mahal or anything you want, you can buy it. Third is the jutis and all you can buy. It will be very beautiful. The designs are spellbound, and you can go for beautiful jutis. And fourth is there are bamboo saris and also the banana saris which you can buy. It is really beautiful. So you can go for all these four stuffs if you are visiting Agra. And this is the end of my journey. I am going back, and this is the outer premises of the Taj Mahal. It was really a really a beautiful trip, and just one day is enough to visit Taj Mahal. But if you have more time, then please do visit Agra Fort and Fatehpur Sikri as well. So this is it, guys. Friends, the general time for visiting the monument is from the morning 10 to evening 6 o'clock. And if you have more time, please do visit the other places as well. I'm going back, and before that, I had a little food. I was hungry, and I almost started by 5:30, and I reached around 9 o'clock. And it was really worth. I loved the Taj Mahal. Would definitely visit again if I get another chance. You also visit and let me know how you have enjoyed my video. And please stay with me, support me, and I'll be back again in the normal routine of my painting and art in the next episode. Do take care. See you very soon in the next video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.